Today, we will explore how countries like China and Russia use propaganda to influence opinions globally. Imagine if someone had to change your mind without you knowing. Scary, right? Back in 1989, while Eastern Europe fought for freedom and democracy, China did the opposite at Tiananmen Square, suppressing calls for the same freedoms. China built the Great Firewall to control what its citizens can see online, blocking anything against the government. It's like having parental controls on the internet, but way stricter. Modern propaganda isn't just posters and speeches, it's also online, spreading through social media and news, affecting how people see the world, even making them distrust democracy. Russia and China don't just keep propaganda at home, they spread it worldwide. They twist facts to make democracies like the US look bad, supporting their own power. These countries tell so many conflicting stories that people feel confused about what's true. This chaos can make people skeptical of real facts and democracy. Even in America, these lies find an audience. Some groups, like MAGA Republicans, echo these misleading messages, spreading further division and confusion. Disinformation can lead to real-world actions, like protests and violence. It's a tool to manipulate public opinion and maintain control by authoritarian leaders. How can we fight this? By learning and spreading the truth. Education about media literacy helps us understand when and how we're being misled. We've seen how powerful and dangerous propaganda can be. Now it's up to us to question what we read and hear, stay informed, and stand up for truth and democracy.